I think we put some people on notice that this isn't necessarily Can-Am territory anymore. If they're not looking over their shoulders at this point, they ought to be, because we're coming for them. It's nice to be back racing some races here in the United States. The racing is different here because unlike Baja, where you can send chase trucks in if there's a problem, we don't get that option in the United States. We'll have some stationary pits for fuel, and we'll have spare parts there if needed, but these guys are gonna have to survive pit to pit without the confidence of knowing that they've got somebody able to come in and help them if they've got a problem. And we're gonna have a new contingent of competitors. So there's a group of competitors that don't go to Mexico. So we're gonna get the opportunity to showcase our equipment, our team, and our drivers in a little bit different environment. So we got two racing events here at King of the Hammers, the Desert Challenge and the Rock Race. That term doesn't do it justice. It's forcing vehicles to do the impossible.
We are at 2024 King of the Hammers. It's Saturday afternoon, just finished the Prologue, and we're in a great position for tomorrow and getting ready to race tomorrow. Year number 2 with the team. We're leaps and bounds better right now this year than we were last year, and honored to be a part of it.
Going into the Prologue, I just wanted to play it smart. I started 24th, so I just kind of ran my lines, ran what I could see, and we were able to get the first place, so that's huge going into Sunday. This course compared to Baja, it's not much different. I would say the terrain and the variety is what you get down in Mexico, but it's obviously just a lot shorter race.
I'm super stoked, excited to get to work with this team and drive the cars. Not super stoked on my qualifying position, but I got minimal miles in the car, and it's a rude awakening for me, so that's good. We'll get her figured out by tomorrow.
A fuel only, like I said, they're thinking less than 5 seconds. They're gonna throw fuel in here. Looks like the car looks just absolutely perfect. This new Polaris Pro R is in great shape. They got them doing. Getting thumbs up from Hager. Everything's looking good. I'm telling you, this car looks absolutely perfect. Look at that, 3-second fuel, absolutely amazing.
3 seconds to do a fuel stop, remarkable. That's Formula One territory.
So far so good for Brock. He took off first and he's held that position. And Max came through, looks like he's third physical. And Caden, he was running fantastic, made a little mistake, got the car near the guys, did a great job getting it back out. It's awesome to watch the pit crew guys. I've never seen them do their thing, and it's amazing what these guys do. They're picking up time for our guys and doing their job.
Unofficial winner of the Unlimited race.
You're up here unofficially in this number 1 spot. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling good. Obviously started pole and got in the lead early on, so we just charged hard all day. Had a clean lap 1, clean lap 2. Overall it was super good. Couldn't be more pumped on it, and hopefully we get it officially.
I am here with Max Eddy Jr. sitting here talking to you. You're brand new to this team, and you're up here. They said it, I think, unofficially in that number 2 spot. How do you feel right now?
Oh man, I feel relieved. Yesterday we didn't have the best qualifying spot. I only had 25 miles in this car coming into yesterday.
25 miles in the car, that's amazing to be up here in the position you're in. Congratulations on that. See you back up here later on an awesome day.
Thank you very much.
A team like this, what makes us successful is preparation, creating a plan, and then executing around that plan. And today, all those pieces came together. The plan worked, we executed in perfection, and that culminated in a 1st and 2nd place. Caden's not done, let's put it that way. He had a bad day today, but he's gonna come back swinging. So we are expecting big things from Caden, and I'm sure he will deliver.
I've navigated in a lot of different types of terrain, never navigated in the rocks. The easiest way, the fastest way to learn and get experience is ride with someone good that's done it.
Saturday and Sunday we had some good results with the desert cars, so I'm feeling good about it. We're gonna start eighth overall, I believe second in class, so should be a good day. We're excited and hopefully we can do well. We had some fun, honestly. We got through the desert, made some passes, found ourselves in a pretty good spot going into the rocks. We had some fun. I mean, I'm sure everyone will see the video, Chocolate Thunder wheeling up that thing. You know, we knew where we were at in our class and just trying to play smart just to get it back to the finish.
Being the fastest UTV in the desert is what matters to us, it's what matters to our partners, and obviously it's what matters to Polaris. We brought a knife to a gunfight. The caveat there is the guy that was wielding the knife is a ninja. To run as strong and as hard as we did and finish where we finished in a car that is stock against guys that come out here and spend months on end developing a car specifically for this desert, to come out here with a stock Turbo R and show them what's up, I mean, what else can you ask for?